6 a.m. and we're heading out for a very early private tour. Today we're going to Pass Island, which is a cool little island. We're also going to Black Island, which locals say is their favorite. So we're going to compare the two, see which we like best. In our search for the best spots in Coron, I think we're finding so many. So we drove about an hour to Conception. Yeah, they're just trying to arrange a boat and a captain because everybody's voting today. We're in Pass Island, and this is one of the best islands here in the Philippines, and it's in West Baswanga. And we got here before the crowds. There's only one other boat other than us. And this is the lunch spot where most people stop. And this is just crazy. It's so scenic here. So nice. Island number 2, Black Island. Pass Island was really cool. This is totally different. We got these big cliffs. We just keep going to more and more epic places. Never ceases to amaze here in the Philippines.
We're here in the legendary Black Island of Baswanga, and some of the locals say this is the best island. So we're here to find out for ourselves.
So we're walking to a cave, and this one is supposed to be easy, unlike yesterday's where the guys had a crazy steep hike and they all came back filthy and scratched up. This should be much better. Yeah, this cave's pretty cool here in the Black Island. Easy hike, just a few minutes, and you get to see a cave with a little pool, some stalactites, stalagmites. Not bad. Done here at Black Island, and this is the end of our boat tour. We got a long ride back though, and this is it for the boat tours for this week here in Coron. But it's been great. We saw some really cool islands, lots of beaches. Thanks to Belle for taking us to the Pass Island and the Black Island, two of the best islands here in the Philippines. We are in an old Baswanga village. Got here by boat. Had to walk through the water because it was too shallow. Going to a guest house and then getting a ride back to the hotel eventually. So let's check out this guest house. Okay. Alright, where are we?
We're in Old Baswanga. This is guest house of Belle. So she lives here.
We're here at Lake Voyage, and thanks a lot, Belle, for setting everything up.
Hello, welcome to Le Voyage. We have the best food in town. We provide like vegetarian food, pasta, coffee, cakes, and all the Western food, of course, salad.
Our last lunch at the Funny Lion, and this is just amazing. What do you think? Going to the hot springs. Yeah! We're at the hot springs, waiting for sunset. Not sure how good it'll be, but that's a nice place. Not too crowded. Fun ride to get here too, on a dirt road. Especially the other cars. It's hot. The upper level is hotter, a little bit hotter than the lower level, but it's pretty warm. I was in there for about 10 minutes. Had to get out because the air is hot. There's no relief. There's just a slight breeze, but yeah, I was getting a little dehydrated and pretty hot. But look, there's no people. Pretty empty here.